Hi, let's talk today about Storage API, Math.js, and JS design patterns. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Casper Beyer posted an article namely Hello WebAssembly, a look at WebAssembly through a fantasy console. This is a brief view at WebAssembly and the WebAssembly Text format. Node.js version 10.5 has been released. Some features have been added. Support for crypto.scrypt, an experimental multi-threading support, also known as worker threads, behind the flag, and BigInt support. Here's another informative article about JavaScript under the hood. Alexander Zlatkov has posted the next series of how JavaScript works. This writing is a basic introduction to building web components. Alexander Zlatkov has posted another article of the series How JavaScript Works. This post is titled Storage Engine: How to Choose the Proper Storage API, and offers some guidelines on how to make the right choice when building your web app. You can find it at SessionStack blog. Right now, JavaScript decorators are in stage 2. Decorators which would provide a handy syntax to mutate functions or classes. This post is a short introduction to decorators proposal in JavaScript with basic examples and a little bit about ECMAScript. Here's another episode of HTTP 203 show. Here, Eva Gasparovich joins Jake and Surma to have a fun discussion about technical depth, web performance and web performance tools. Jeffrey Lambach made an educative and entertaining story about NPM. Ever wonder what happens when you npm install something? After this talk, you'll have a better understanding of the course and package takes. Here, just in 20 minutes, Adi Osmani covers approaches to delivering JavaScript in an efficient way to ensure your users' experiences are as seamless and smooth as possible. Eric Simmons posted an introduction to Teleport, over-the-air hot reloading and debugging for PWAs. Teleport is a dev server proxy that enables instant hot reloading and debugging across devices for progressive web apps. One more interesting tutorial from Google developers team, namely Optimize website speed with Chrome DevTools. It's a hands-on tutorial for learning how to use DevTools to find ways to make your sites faster. You definitely know math implementation is a bit tricky in JavaScript. Therefore, let me share Math.js, an extensive math library for Node.js and browser. It works with complex numbers, fractions, units, matrices, etc. Dr. Axel Hallschmeyer posted one more JavaScript methods cheat sheet. This time is JavaScript array cheat sheet. It's a very handy reference covering the most useful array methods. In case you need ESLint, but commonly used plugins don't satisfy your team's needs, you can look through the article Writing Your Own ESLint Plugins. This is a step-by-step guide that describes how to create ESLint plugin checker using Yeoman generator and test it using use cases and AST Explorer. Marco Mishura in his turn posted the comprehensive guide to JavaScript design patterns. You can read here a bit of design patterns theory and learn design patterns in JavaScript by example. Last week, there was a fun community story around Vue.js getting more stars on GitHub than React. Kevin Ball posted a short explanation of what really GitHub star mean. That's not the same as the real-world usage. Actually, React is still dominating. If you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.